What is up? Let's do the aura song. I don't care. Wait. Me? Hey bro! Hey bro! Hey bro!
Di ba sabi dun sa school ni daddy, no?
Do you know what's funny? Phone bot.
Ayaw nga nila man kapatid yan.
You know what's funny? Computer bot. I'm gonna roast people, guys. Before I do the order song, let's roast people. Never mind about that. I'm gonna roast people. I'm gonna roast people, guys. I'm gonna roast people. Voice chat. I'm literally voice chat. Look. Kids only guide. Oh, what? Hey, bro. Be quiet. I'm in a. I'm not even on right now. Hey owner, this is not a class. This is You let me lead the game. You let me literally lead the meeting. Dude. Do not talk, okay? Hey owner, wait please, do not talk. Hey owner, please. Hey owner, this is not a talent show. This is a game. Wait, let me do it again. Wait. Hey owner, this is not a chat. This is a game.
Hindi ka mabasa. Yan.
What is 60 plus 7? 6, 7!
Bro, it's my turn.
Okay. Your turn, let's go. Let's go. Hey bro, after you, we're gonna do the aura song like this.
Wait, both of us have... No, don't play it. Then the aura song will be heard in the mic. More sounds, more than
What? After you, okay?
Wait!
Yes, after
If
you.
you play a song, there's more chances they get or bananas. What's 33? What's the answer to 33 plus 35? 6, 7.
Bro left the game.
You know what's funny?
What? Yes, I'm just pointing at the electric fan. You know what's funny? Laptop bot. wait.
Elvis, may erase ka dito.
Okay. Hey bro, after you, let's do the aura song. Let's see what you do.
Yung iba kasi.
It's not Uwo, it's Gewo.
Ganun yung lang ba?
Wait. But please, let's do the aura song. Let's exit out the game.
Bro, but if you play the aura song, more chances of us getting hit.
No, I'm gonna close Roblox and then get the aura song. Duh.
It will get hurt, duh.
No, it will. No, it will not. We're not in a game. We're in an app. No more. No cheat. Okay.
You're cringing me out.
Aura. Aura. Hey guys.
Oh
Aura.
my gosh, bro got rice on his
Raisa.
No. No. Yeah. Aura or Zek. Let's go.
Wait. I wanna play it too.
Let's go. I'm playing it first.
One thing. Somehow.
Are you kidding me? Anak! Anak. There's no talking. Again. What? No. Look. It's right there.
Bro, look. Focus on it while it's zoomed in.
Yes, I can see it on the... It's right there, guys.
Bro.
I
Pray
can
for the
see-
Philippines.
I can see it.
Pray for the Philippines, bro. Also.
Imagine if it reaches our house, we would be so cooked.
Lord, pray for it.
Yeah, I prayed it for it. We're trying all the songs. We're doing it one more time. This is load. This is super slowed.
Bro, I will give Grow Garden, okay?
What?
You need to check the admin of this, bro. I will get you some cash, okay, please?
Wait. Just kidding. Let's go. Go.
Let me just wait for some fruits.
Dude, are you on? I'm
I
lit.
need to get fruits before the admin starts.
Dude,
Please, bro! We need to get some cash before the admin starts.
Dude, I'm literally. How are you? How am I gonna play if you're
You
on?
wanna be broke while doing admin abuse, bro?
Look.
Bro, please.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm logging out right now. I swear, dude. If
Abagada, baka baba. Abagada, hola Kristara. I swear your dad.
you better not ban my account. You better not ban my account.
Yo, can I have some fruits, please? Please. Just one fruit. Bro, what are you trying to do?
Wait, dude, I'm joining on you.
Garden to God, bro. I'm selling all your fruits, bro.
Something, dude.
It's time to play a game. The red light, green light event started.
Wala na pala may tubig.
It's gonna be started.
Wala na.
Is Jandel there? Hey latte, sir.
Dude,
It's Jandel's. Bro,
wait, guys,
you're
I'm
missing the admin abuse.
on my account right now. Yeah, you're actually gonna miss it. If you actually miss it, wait, guys, you quit Gura Garden, okay? Your garden grew while you were gone. Let's go.
How are you gonna play the admin abyss, bro?
It's fine, okay?
Oh my god, what do you mean it's fine? You're gonna be mad when you don't be able to join it.
Dude, I let you have a pay. I let you have.
I'm calling my parents. Kaga.
Dude, if you get me banned right now,
Abagada, Sasi Kaga.
you want me to get banned.
Abagada, Sasi Kaga.
Stop. That's it. I'm muting my mic. That's it. I'm mute.
Lola, can you just answer already, bro?
I,
Why did you link my messenger account?